Sarpanchas of all villages, deputy sarpanchas, ward members, all my close friends, karyakartas, and of course my wife, who is also an MP and who has supported me and patiently heard me or showed patience for the last 26 years. I want to actually thank her today for all the things she has done for me, for the success when I was became Jilla Panchayat member, and the first time when I contested the MLA election, she worked very hard. Today I am missing my mother. My mother, every birthday, first blessing of DJ Gyum, churchin, agri temple, today morning when I woke up, माझे साइडीक म्हणजे जे हांव ब्लेसिंग करून वयतालो ते म्हाका लेस दिसले म्हणजे नॉट टेक अ ब्लेसिंग बट डेफिनेटली शी इज ब्लेसिंग मी फ्रॉम टॉप बिकॉज आई वाज हर फेवरेट सन एंड माय सिस्टर हू इज हियर कार्मेलिना शी हैज बीन लाइक माय मदर रॉक सॉलिड बिसाइड्स मी all the time. Daniel, Malaika and all my other close friends who are over here.
कोळवूरचे आमदार आणि भारतीय जनता पार्टीचे नेते मायकल लोबो हांचो वाढदिवस आणि ह्या वाढदिवसाच्या निमित्तान म्हजे बरोबर हांगा आसात आमचे मयेचे आमदार प्रेमेंद्र शेठ, मुख्यमंत्री आणि बाकीचे सगळे येऊन गेले. हांव मायकल लोबोक वाढदिवसाच्यो हार्दिक शुभेच्छा दिता. आमचे आमदार शिवोलेचे गेलेले लोबो आणि त्या तरेचो उत्साह संबंध म्हाका दिसता हांव रस्त्यावयल्यान भितर येतना म्हाका एक तासभर लागलो, इतली गर्दी आसा भायर. आनी मायकलाचे कनेक्ट जो आसा हो कशा पद्दतीन हांगा लोक जर पळयले जाल्यार दिसून येता. आनी सदोदीत मायकल जिल्हा पंचायत आसत तेचे पयलीं पंचायत आसत हे सगळे जरी केले आसत जाल्यार सगळ्यांचो आवडतो मायकल हे सदांच ताणें दवरलें. आनी म्हाका पूर्ण विश्वास आसा कोळवूरचे लोक परत एकदा मायकलाक 2027 परत एकदा आमदार करतले आणि गोंयच्या विधानसभेत धाडटले. तुमचो आशीर्वाद ताका आसचो तुमी दितले अशी आशा व्यक्त करता आणि म्हज्या तर्फे म्हज्या फॅमिली तर्फे मायकलाक वाढदिवसाच्यो हार्दिक शुभेच्छा दिता. देव बरें करूं.
आमचो इश्ट मायकल लोबो ताजो आज बर्थडे. And we are always gathered here for his 50th birthday celebrations. 50 I think is only a number for him and all of us. The youthfulness was there in him, is there in him and will remain with him. Calm Tirupati Gurupad, Kalagur Mattar Sanghan, for the last number of years as a 3-time MLA, I think he has shown what actually development is. And development करता असताना tourism sector लागलेल्या खातीर along the whole coast, he has always been prominently taking on issues which are important for the smallest person in the society. बारीक मनशाचे जीण सुदारचें बरें जावचें म्हण त्या तोंडाक सदांच ती एक तळमळ आसता and he always takes it up whether he is part of the government as a cabinet minister or as a MLA. He has always been taking up issues for the common people. आज त्याचा 50th birthday and 50th birthday is a part of celebrations because you say 50 years itself. I think we still have a long way to go as far as politics is concerned, life is concerned, family is concerned. So I say देवाकडे मागता he may all his dreams come true. ताका good health, happiness, peace and prosperity देवान ताका बरी दिवची. Ably supported by his wife Delilah, both of them actually have been doing and contributing back to the society. I wish both of them all the very best, and Michael, many more years to go. Happy birthday.
Thank you Rohan for coming.
GSRTCचे चेअरपर्सन श्री मायकल लोबो यांच्या वाढदिवसानिमित्त सगळ्यांना शुभेच्छा देतो. आज आम्ही सगळ्यांना जमलेला असा. आज जे सर्वसामान्यांचे नेते म्हणून त्यांची पुराय गोमंतकभर फाटी जाता आज अशा नेत्याच्या वाढदिवसाक आम्ही जमलेला असा. सर्वसामान्याचो म्हणजे गोरगरिबांचो नेतो चड म्हणजे ज्या व्यक्तीने ल्हानपणापासून गरिबी पळयल्ली आसा अशा व्यक्तीक आज नेतृत्व प्राप्त जाल्लें हांगा प्रधानमंत्री आसा आज तांच्या ह्या वाडदिसा निमित्त तिका खूब खूब शुभेच्छा दिता आनी लोकांची सेवा करपाक लागून ताका वारंवार ती संदी लोकांनी दिवची आनी देवाचे आशीर्वाद तिका सदांच लाभत रावचे देव बरोबर.
I want to thank each one of you for making this day a very, very special one. Especially all those who worked tirelessly for so many days to make this happen. The entire team who was there for the last 1 month to see that not a single drop comes inside, but there was no rain. House now, so we have to pray for rain. Huh? Without faith, everybody has to pray for rain. Thank you.
Let's give him 3 cheers! Everybody 3 cheers for Michael Lobo and 7 notes! Hip hip! Hip hip!
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.
Empowering tribal entrepreneurs in Goa. The GTEGP scheme by EDC Limited provides financial assistance to support self-employment and business ventures among tribal communities. Age limit 18 to 45 years. Project cost up to 25 lakhs. 40% capital subsidy. Margin just at 5%. Call today 7720047279. Apply today at EDC to grow your business.